Hi, good morning. It's my first day back to college and the first day back to YouTube also, since I haven't been able to post anything like for the last month or 2 months, I think. So, this will be my video that will be a comeback to my YouTube journey. But, anyways, as always, I'm again a bit late. It's already 7:50. I will be having a quick breakfast and then leaving straight to class. Today I will be having my first class of photography, which I'm so excited because I've been wanting to have this class for the longest time. But anyways, let's just finish getting ready and then have breakfast and then leave straight to class. Cause also I have to like leave a bit early since I'm going to another building which is a bit far away from my home. I have to leave early to reach on time. Let's go. I'm back at home. I'm literally so tired, like always. So today's class, as I told you, it was a photography class. And the thing is, our official like professor didn't come. So we had another like replacement where we learned about the different types of camera and how to take photos and how to like adjust the lighting and like the flash and everything. And it literally was a studio for photography. I never saw that in like in our college, so that was so new to me. But yeah, I had so much fun. It was so much information at once, but I really liked it, and we will see what exactly our professor will be, because there are rumors that that professor left like the college without even like telling the college itself. So it was such a last moment thing of changing the professor and finding a replacement. So yeah, it was a bit chaotic at first, but then after college I went to pay the monthly thing of the college. I'm literally so hungry and so sleepy. I just want to eat and sleep. My plan was to actually go to the bank after eating lunch, but I think I will take a nap after eating lunch. And I think after doing some other stuff I have to do for content creation and graphic design. And at night at like 7:30 I have dance class. I started doing dance class this month, so I will be doing dance class every Tuesdays. So for now, let's just chill a bit, have lunch, and then we'll see what to do. Okay, so actually, this is so random, but I'm going to be telling you basically the way I like organize my day. Yesterday, I finished like organizing my routine for like the next 4 or 5 months until college is done. Taking into account my classes, my dance classes, some Sunday reset time, then I also have some content creation, graphic design, and then uni homework time basically. So what I will be doing right now is passing it to this paper. Because I tried out like designing it on Illustrator or Canva or anything on any like design program, but it wasn't the way I wanted it to be. And I love using this type of paper, like I don't know what it's called, squared paper. I always use it for my Korean study. So yeah, let's start doing this. Okay, so like this is what I was doing before and I didn't like it, so I basically passed it on pencil. I only have done like the time blocks and I have to like color it and put. But since it's already like 6:20, I have to get ready and leave for my dance class. And not gonna lie, I feel literally so sleepy. I was trying not to sleep and I didn't also take a nap because I know that if I take a nap at night, I wouldn't be able to sleep. And like I was scared I wouldn't wake up on time for the class. So I tried my best to not fall asleep this whole time, basically. I watched a movie, I played some games, I did this, and now I'm going to dance class. And hopefully, after that, I'll just shower, have dinner, and go to sleep. But, anyways, I will be now getting ready and just leave for my dance class. Okay, just showered, and there's some change of plans. Instead of having dinner and then going to sleep, I'm going straight to sleep now because I'm not in the mood of eating something. I'm like, I'm so tired, like I have said the whole day. I'm finally going to sleep at 9:20. At least I'm going to lay down and probably fall asleep up to 10 p.m. So yeah, I'm ending the video right now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.